Welcome in online teaching. Good morning, students. I am Mahesh Kumar, your math teacher. So, as our topic, fractions is going on, in which today we will learn how we can find the product of fractions. Look, finding the product is very simple. Look, as you're seeing the first one, here we have to find the product of 3 upon 5 and 7 upon 11. So, how we can find? Look, what we see first we see that is there any number in numerator and the denominator which can be simplified by any number. Then if there is no such numbers, then what we do? We just multiply numerator to the numerator and denominator to the denominator. Now listen student, we can't simplify a numerator value to the numerator and denominator value to the denominator. So as you're seeing here, in the first one, there is no such numbers. This can be simplify any number. So what we will do here, we just multiply numerator to the numerator and denominator to the denominator. So in the numerator we will got 3 into 7 and in the denominator we will got 5 into 11. So after multiplication we will got 21 upon 55, which is our final answer. Now second one is, it is 4 whole 1 upon 8 into 2 whole 10 upon 11. So what we will do, as you are seeing here, these are in mixed fraction. So what we will do, first we convert these into an improper fraction. So how we can do, like this 4 whole 1 upon 8 can be written as like 4 8 ja 32 and this plus 1 33. It will be 33 upon 8 and this 2 whole 10 upon 11 will be 11 to the 22 and 22 plus 10 will be 32 upon 11. Now as you are seeing here, this 33 and 11 both are divisible by 11, like 11 1 ja 11 and 11 3 ja 33, and this 8 and 32 both are divisible by 8, like 8 1 ja 8 and 8 4 ja 32. So in the numerator we will got 3 into 4 and in the denominator 1 into 1 after the simplification. Now what we will do, now we will multiply. So you will got 3 4 ja 12 and 1 1 ja 1, you will got 12 upon 1, which can be written as 12, which is our final answer. Now next is, here you have to find the product of three fractions, as you are seeing. So now look, the process is same. What we see first we see that is there any numbers in numerator and the denominators which can be simplified by any number. So as you are seeing, in the second fraction and the third fraction, 44 and 33 can be divided by 11. Ye both are simplified by 11, like 11 4 ja 44, 11 3 ja 33. And this 5 and 35 can also be simplified by 5, as 5 1 ja 5 and 5 7 ja 35. Now you will see that this 2 and 4, they both can be cancelled by 2, like 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4, and you will see this both the 3 can also be cancelled. So in the numerator we will got 1 into 1 and in the denominator we will got 1 into 2 into 7. So after multiplication we will got 1 upon 14. This is our final answer. Now we will do some more question of product which are different. Now here we have to find 1 upon 3 of 24, 6 upon 7 of 35 liter and 7 upon 8 of a day. How we can solve these type of question? We replace this of with multiplication. Now as you are seeing in the first one, it is 1 upon 3 of 24. So what we do, we replace this of by multiplication and this 24 can be written as 24 upon 1. Now as you are seeing, this 3 and 24 both are divisible by 3. So we will simplify these. So in the numerator you will got 1 into 8 and the denominator you will got 1 into 1. So after multiplication we will got 8 upon 1, which can be written as 8, which is your final answer. Now second one is, here you have to solve 6 upon 7 of 35 liter. So again this of will be converted into multiply and this 35 can be written as 35 upon 1. As you are seeing, this unit liter will be in, this liter unit will be in continue till answer. Now we will solve only the numbers. as you are seeing this 7 and 35, both are divisible by 7, like 7 1 is 7 and 7 5 is 35. Now the process is same. In the numerator we will got 6 into 5, and in the denominator we will got 1 into 1 after the simplification. Now we will multiply, we will got 30 upon 1. So which can be written as 30, as the unit is liter, which is in continue. So our answer will be 30 liter. Now next is, here we have to find out 7 upon 8 of a day. So how we can solve such type of question? No, in these type of question what we do, we convert this off into multiply, and this the unit which is after off is converted into its lower unit. So as we know, 1 day equals to 24 hours. So we replace this 1 day by 24 hours. Now again this 24 can be written as 24 upon 1, and this unit hours will be in continue till the answer, and we will simplify the number only. Now the process is same, as you're saying this 8 and 24 both are divisible by 8, like 8 1 is 8 and 8 3 is 24. So in the numerator you will got 7 into 3, and in the denominator we will got 1 into 1. So after multiplication we will got 7 3 is 21 and 1 1 is 1. You will got 21 upon 1, which can be written as 21. Now as the unit is in continue hours, so our answer will be 21 hours. Now students, this is all for today. We will learn more in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day.